clear bot designed by Razer. They left it completely black for us so we can just deck it out with the Ocean Builders logos.
Sweet.
I was so happy.
So we were just looking at this, and the sprocket here was 3D printed. So we need to get a metal one to replace it. This was 3D printed, right?
Oh.
And it just split. Craig just turned it, and it split. So it wasn't very strong, and definitely would not last with this running for any period of time.
Sprockets like this.
Yeah? That would be great if we did.
Yeah, we have one. Yeah, right there.
And then we have some missing screws here. That would be good to have those screws there. I guess there's some other things. This battery compartment is not sealing, so this needs to be fixed so we don't get water in there and damage the batteries. And I guess there's 4 compartments like that all the way around. One at the front, here, here, then here. And then also this top compartment. We have to seal that because that has all the sensitive electronics. That's going to be a little bit harder for water to get in there because it's at the top. But definitely needs to be sealed because any big wave goes over it, water goes in, electronics would be toast. So kind of as expected, research and development. This is kind of a new tech. There's going to be things that need to be done to get it up to real world application where it can be used on a regular basis. And yeah, so I guess this goes through the water and picks up stuff as you go through. This conveyor belt picks up stuff and loads it into the bin in the back. Then these are the motors, the thrusters. So those are not mounted yet because we're on land right now, so we need to put it in the water before we can mount those. And yeah, so that's the basics.
What happened? Octavio is doing. So yeah, we saw that this guy wasn't working, and we quickly find out that it was a bad connection there. But it was already, it came from here, but that way it just happened.
Okay, so we're just getting ready to put the Astro into the water. So we're going to use the telehandler and the straps. We were going to carry it over, but it's pretty heavy. It's about 200 kilos. Looks kind of cool. It kind of looks like the Batmobile I was just saying a few minutes ago. Like the Batmobile I had when I was, I don't know how old, but very young. Back in the 70s. I'm dating myself now. It's probably like that big, and there's the action figures that go inside. The camera might be in a bad spot. No, it's okay. There we go. She's floating. Okay, so we're floating. Motors are connected, and assuming everything is operational, we should be able to use the remote control to move it around. It's working. Is it? Is it? Or is it floating? Yeah, they're moving. You can see the propellers moving. Okay. We are moving. Nice. Look at her go. One small step for ocean builders, one giant leap for ocean cleanup. What?
Rudy wants the dice.
He wants to race.
Batmobile's winning, Rudy.
Yeah, it does look like the
Batmobile's gonna
Batmobile.
win.
Definitely.
The race is on.
With the control.
So I don't know what the speed is going to be, or if that's the speed that it is going to be. Oh yeah, now it's going faster. Okay, it just kicked into hyperspeed. Look at that baby go.
It's calibrating itself still.
Yeah, probably. Needs to test it out.